channel. Today we are playing some doors again, like the last video. So yeah, I want to say thank you for 4K on that really old video I made. Not gonna lie, it's not my first ever one though. But yeah, thanks for 4K on that. And yeah, we should probably just get into it now. Watching this. Okay, I think I free. Never mind, we're going over to. Why not? I know my bird in the background. Reggie! Rush won't be coming anytime soon. Oh, damn. I'm just checking if I'm still recording. Key. Nothing. He just checked this room, which means it was. Yeah. Is he even? He's not even in the game anymore, bro. Whatever. I can do this alone. I'll leave his shout out from anything. Oh, okay. Where is that damn key? Looking everywhere for it, bro. Money. And here. Here you go. And here. Oh. Ew, wow, I just went through the door. But, yeah, it's in here on this stool, so now I can open the damn door. So yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. He didn't check the doors. Oh, wait. What? Oh, it's in there. Oh, my Lord. Rush. Rush. Oh, wait, was that light? It's light. Oh, I missed the light. Yeah. Wouldn't be bad. Oh my God! Bro! Demon dark roses. Oh. Oh. Okay. Basically, because this is the thingy I'm mentioning, and I'm voicing over this, I can go grab a time cage to keep going, so good luck, my folks. Up. I need to turn what I did. So, which way? door, hopefully. Door 30, finally! Yeah. Ooh, look at these drowls. Whoa! Gosh. Needs to go away. I don't know. Yeah. $33. 34. Oh, that was the lights. That was the lights. That was the lights. They wouldn't do this to me in a room like this. They wouldn't. It won't let me in. Why won't it let me in? Is there another one? Here. It isn't letting me in. Where's Rush? Huh? Rush isn't even coming, bro. It glitched, I think. Wouldn't let me open the door down here either. So annoying. Look, it won't let me open the door. Oh, get in the closets. Am I going the right way? I know I am. This is so unfair. Girl. It's not letting me out. I want to carry on with the game, bro. How dare they? Dare they? How very dare they? Anyways, guys, what do I even do in this situation? Guys, I think I might be forced to stop recording here because of the game. So I guess that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and bye.